A massive winter storm is set to bring blizzard conditions, sub-zero temperatures, and holiday travel chaos to the central and eastern United States. Over 34 million Americans are under a wind chill warning as the storm brings extreme cold and dangerous wind chills to the northern plains and eventually the East Coast. The eastern two-thirds of the country can expect heavy snow, damaging winds, and even heavy rainfall through the holiday weekend. The storm is expected to rapidly intensify into a bomb cyclone or winter hurricane, creating dangerous air and road travel. Major hub cities like Minneapolis and Denver are expected to experience the worst air travel delays. Take caution and prepare for extreme weather conditions if you are in the affected areas.